All right, guys, we're checking out a duplex today. New construction. They don't come along too often, these duplexes. We do have a subdivision here in Venetian Bay that basically is all duplexes. It's maintenance free, great location. Check out this construction. That's not hardy board, that's concrete. That's solid. Johnson Group built this home, so you know the construction's there for you. And pop my shoes off just so we don't make a mess in here. Still needs to be cleaned up a little bit, but we want it to look nice. Nice kitchens. And nice open floor plan here. We've got a little screened-in enclosure there in the back. The garages are in the back of the property. I'm taking you right through the home here. Laundry, big master, really big master. They're getting ready to clean this one up. This one's sold. Huge walk-in closet, double vanity. They can make that more wheelchair accessible where there won't be a lip on there if need be. These can be a primary residence. Most people in this area use these as second homes to come down here or put a senior resident in here. They typically like the area because they can walk down the sidewalk quite a bit. There's lots of sidewalks, as you can see, all the way around. A little bedroom here. Full-size bath. And then another little bedroom. But beautiful property. You guys should check it out. Let me know what you think. And there's probably, I think, 8 of them left. They're coming up. And this community does have a community pool, and I'll show you that later.